Hi, good afternoon. Perry Goldstein here in the show floor at InfoComm 2015 in Orlando, Florida. We're talking about MXL microphones. We want to take you over to our web conferencing microphone line. And it all started really with this particular model here, the AC404, which is a boundary mic, triple capsule boundary mic, USB. It plugs right into the USB port, and it's a 180-degree mic. So it's designed to go in the front of the conference room and project backwards. What's interesting about that is so many manufacturers have the circle mics, 360. But more and more conferences are moving away from a round table and into a U shape, because in the front of the room now, as you can see over here if you follow me, the television set, the monitor, is now the front of the room. So what you want to do is you want to place your mic in the front, aiming back rather than the middle, because you don't need to get the people on the other side anymore. So that's why the AC404 is so popular, especially since services like Skype have echo canceling. You don't need echo canceling. So for under $100, you get a great conference room mic that'll do a 25-foot conference room easily. Then we have the AC400, which is a all-metal gooseneck mic, and you can see it's USB, but you can also extend it. So we have three analog mics that are extensions that go with it, and they loop in and out. So you can loop one to the other, daisy chain them here, and then this goes out into the internet. So 4 people can each have their own mic. Over here we have the wireless version of our AC404. This is the AC410W, 2.4 gig, and it will be available in the fall. Mute switch, AA battery. The reason we did AA battery is you can put rechargeable batteries in if you want, but if you're in a conference and your battery's dying, you can just throw some disposable batteries in to get through the conference. You don't have to worry about recharging the mic itself. We have the AC406, which is a speakerphone, USB speakerphone, a headphone out, and extension. So you could actually plug one of the goosenecks into this and have a boundary mic with a speaker and a series of extension mics. The AC424 is the step-up version of the AC404. All the same electronics, but what it's got is a mute switch, and it's got the new body style. And I want to make sure you get this very close up here. The world's first USB-C microphone. Why is that important? Because the world is moving to USB-C. Apple announced in their new laptop there's only one input and it's USB-C. So as the world moves away from USB-A and USB-B and mini and micro and everything else, USB-C will be a standard format for mobile devices and for computers. This is a USB-C cable. It's the first USB cable that's got the same plug on both sides, and the plug here is completely reversible, so you can never plug it in wrong. So we will be releasing the USB-C mic. It's the AC444. We'll be releasing that later this year to be the first USB-C mic on the market. So that's our line of unified communications USB microphones.